another series of Katenko game.
Number 21. Umatake 2 points by jersey number 2, Atapa. That's jersey number 1. Joseph pass to number 30, Rodriguez. Basket. Sino na nakakuha? Ayun na sa ilalim. Nagulo na ayun sa 2 points. Number 3 is just 2 points. Back to Joseph. Pass to Rodriguez sa 3. 3 points. Rodriguez pass to Joseph. Number 1 nag-layup. No good. Nakuha ni number 2. Sarmiento, pass to Kaptama, pass to number 30, sinatawag, Kaptama driving, easy 2 points. Ayan na si Johnson, pass to Kap, 2 points. Kabaglan, 2 points. Dulay for 3, pass. Jagi all the way, no good, bakal sa Dulay, 2 points. First one, good. That one is good. 46-35 in favor of OSC. 30. 2 points.
End of the first quarter, score po natin 19-22 in favor of Green Team, Team 30.
Johnson. Pass to number 2. Atapa. Ball shot, pasok. Sampai nababingali kay Kap, tapak kumapaan na lang sa block. Johnson, binigay ang bola kay Alexis. Johnson, back to Kap, tapak. Ang ganda ng pasan ng dalawa. Pass to Rodriguez. Sumubok sa 3. Johnson, binigay kay Rodriguez na sa 3. Wala na ang tapak. Tapak for 2, it's good. Tapang pass to Rodriguez sa ilalim, easy 2 points. Just
Yun! Julio Valiente! Shot! Ayos na!
Wala! Nakuha ni jersey number 7 sa ilalim. Ayan si jersey number 7, 2 points. Ayan si Kabanglan. Pinasa kay Sarmiento, 2 points. 11 to shoot. Pass to Rodriguez. Rodriguez, it's a foul.
Sab ka, sir?
Pasok. Johnson, pass to Katapang. Kaya na si Katapang umatake, 2 points. To shoot. Katapang for 2. It's good. Pass to Antonio, tumira, pasok. Number 30.
Po, fourth quarter na po tayo. 58-54 in favor of Team 30.
Sarmiento, tumira, 2 points para Sarmiento. Yan! Back to number 20 para Antonio, easy 2 points. Pinasa sa ilalim, napakay si number 3. Basket down!
Nice shot.
Bonus shot. Pasok. Nakuha ni Antonio for 2. It's good. Number 14, Gagi umatake. 2 points. Malaki Antonio tumira si Dangana. Easy 2 points. Paso Antonio. Pull-up jumper. First throw. It's good. Estion, binigay na naman kay Antonio. Table stop. Yes. Pasok pa.
Thirsty to be.